guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to cornrow here. You know, those days that you don't want to put it in a bun or do anything with it, and you just want to put 2 cornrow or 3 in it and just go. Okay, and plus it's a great protective style. Alright, for those who doesn't know how to cornrow, just watch my hand movements. I don't know how to explain it properly to you, but once you watch what I'm doing, you will catch along. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be parting my hair, showing you guys. Sure you know how to part your hair already? Just parting up the section that I wanna do. Okay guys, so you're gonna be putting the take out a part. You put that part into 1, 2, 3 sections, okay? And then put your finger in between it. There you go. So you basically will be going over, crossing over, back and forth with your finger, and you're going to be picking up the hair as you go along with it. Okay, while you're going along, if the hair gets tangled on you, you'll use your finger and you comb it out. Okay. Three pieces, then you go ahead to cut the ends. Okay, put in the ear in 3, 1, 2, 3. Push, go across. Pick up air as they go along. Cross. Cross. There I meet. Mostly using these fingers. You see it, pushing it across, holding by the ear, pushing it through, holding by the ear. Yeah. So here we go again, guys. Okay, gonna be 1, 2, 3. Follow my fingers. Go through, push through, practically left right, carrying it through from the left over to the right. There you go again. You turn good. So you can go ahead, if you're wearing it out, you can go ahead and put some, I'm using Gorgeous Knot. You can go ahead and put whatever edge control you want to use to lay the edges down a little. And neatly it up a bit. Make it how you want it to be. Then you can go ahead and do what you want with the ends. You can leave it down, or you can go ahead and flat it, pin it, put it in a ball, and just tuck in my away. Like that. So I'm not gonna say it's simple because some kind of canoe is not that simple, but I hope you guys actually learn something from this video, learn how to canoe, or if like that. So I'm not gonna say it's simple because to some who kind of canoe is not that simple, but I hope you guys actually learn something from this video, learn how to simple for those who know how to, and for those who can't, I hope that you will actually learn from this video. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.